In this tutorial, you will learn the basics of HDR toning, which stands for High Dynamic Range, and it's not to be confused with HDR Pro, which will be covered in a future tutorial. We can use HDR toning to create fantasy-like scenes, but here we will use it to create subtle effects to enhance this flat-looking image. Now, let's do the fun stuff. Go to Image, Adjustments, and click HDR Toning. The dialog box displays an array of options. We can swing the sliders in either direction to find out what they do. At the top, we have a preset drop-down menu and different methods of exposure. But we are going to be playing with these tools right here. We'll be using the Edge Glow, Tone and Detail, Color, and the toning curve. You can see that our image became too bright. We can move the gamma slider to the right to get rid of the blown out highlights. We can also use the exposure slider and move it to the left, which will affect the overall exposure of the image. Let's play with gamma again. The detail slider is one of my favorite. Move it to the right to extract more detail from this picture. If you wish, you can go back to check your exposure. If you increase the shadows, it will add some artifacts to your pictures. In this case, I will set it to -100. I don't want to mess with it. The highlight tool can recover your lost highlights, or should I say your blown out highlights, or it can intensify them. The toning curve allows us to draw points and twist the curve in order to adjust the shadows by twisting the bottom and highlights by twisting the top. Let's see what we can do. Once you're happy with the result, click OK. And this is what we have. This is what we had before, and this is what we have now.